I am in Claudio Cajazzo. I'm a congressman for 8 terms.
Stable, but still critical. Increasing our dialogue, rising our voice.
So just a few seconds each.
We are saddened.
Parliament, and particularly many Turkish Australians who are so honoured.
An aspiration. It is a responsible assembly, but also the broader impact of parliamentary diplomacy. At a time when the international system that they will contribute meaningfully for injustice and for future generations in our time. Once again, I thank you.
For those who do not know me, Secretary.
But still critical. We're increasing our dialogue, rising our voices against injustice.